Hey family, and welcome back to another rochielin video. Today I'm doing a room tour for the hotel that I'm staying at. You would have seen part 1 in a previous video. This is part 2. This is the room tour. So I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like and walk you through some of the changes that they have implemented since COVID. Alright, so if you're interested in that, then keep watching. So right now I'm at the entrance of the room. As you can see, this is the door. That's where you come in. So there's this mirror right at the door that I can see myself. And then there's a passageway here. So as I walk through the passage, on the right hand side is the closet area, which I'll not open because my things are, And then to the left is the bathroom. So this is on the side. So this is the bathroom. It's marble tiled all over. It's a typical bathroom. So you have a bathtub over here, which I don't ever use when I come here because I'm more of a shower person. There's a door that has a mirror. I love the fact that they have mirrors all over because us content creators and YouTubers, we like to look at ourselves to make sure that we get the framing right and all of that. So kudos for having lots of mirrors. And then over there is the his and hers sink. Below they have like extra towels and here I probably shouldn't use this one. So if you go to the pool and here is wet, you can just dry up. I thought that I could have opened this, but I can't. So let's leave that for now. Over here is the toilet area. And a good thing is that they have sanitized the toilet and they have put a sign to let you know that it's sanitized, which is amazing. So nobody else never use it, and you're clean and you're good to go during this pandemic. Then over here is the standing shower, and this is where I use mostly. This is what I use all the time. And I say I'm a shower person, and they give you the usual shampoo, conditioner, and soaps. The soap kind of dry out your face, so if you come in, bring your own face soap. Alright, and typical bathroom, the soaps, towels, rags, etc. You get all of that. So as we go through the passage, we enter the bedroom. So this is the bedroom area. As you can see, not much to say. TV is over here, and what I like is that when I come in, it says, "Good afternoon, Rochelle." So that's cute. Bed over here, nice queen size bed. Quite comfortable, I think. It wasn't too bad. The 2 night lamps on the side, like a typical bedroom, alarm, phone, all of that. One thing I noticed that's different in the room, because I've been here so many times, I know the place really well, but they usually have a rug on the floor in front of the bed. And as you can see, there's no rug, so I'm not too sure why. I'm sure it has something to do with COVID, but there's no rug here, so you definitely just walk around on the cold floor. One thing to note that they had told me at the front is that if you want to get bed slippers and or robes, you'll have to request it. Usually before COVID, they'll have those things in the room, but no, they don't have them. So if you want it, you dial 0 from the phone and you get it. And because the ground has no rugs, it's cold, so I'll definitely be requesting the bed slippers. Right? Over here is this little section that, like a couch area, I guess. The couch needs a little cleaning, but it is what it is. And then over here is where I eat breakfast whenever I order room service. So, or if I were to edit this video before I left, I would have edited it here. And then of course just more seating. Oh, another thing to note is that usually, okay, so this is the mini bar and the fridge. Usually, pre-COVID, they would have had like snacks and a coffee maker and water and tea maker, kettle, all of that on top of here. But they have removed that since COVID, and and usually also in the fridge, as you can see, it's empty. They usually have like beers and drinks and water and a slight refreshment over here because it's an all-inclusive hotel, so everything is included in the price. But what they have told us is that since COVID they have removed these things, and if you want them you can request it. Because I'm thinking that, let's say usually if let's say they give you 6 beers or 6 drinks in here and you only use 2, then they would have come and refilled and just add to those, to the 4 that's left, right? But let's say you touched the 4, then you would have possibly contaminated the next person coming in afterwards. So I think it's a wise thing to just remove them all. If you want all 6 of them, then you request it from the front desk, right? So there's that. What else is different? Oh, the remote. When I came in, the remote was in a bag that had a sanitization paper on it to indicate that the remote has been sanitized, so that's good. So I really think they've been taking the precautions to make sure that we're safe while we're here, and that I appreciate a whole lot. Even going around the entire premises, like they remind you every step of the way that, you know, we're still going through this pandemic and we just still have to be careful of wearing a mask, and there's a lot of sign around the place, so that's good. And then let's head out to the balcony real quick, which is it. So out here on the balcony, we can see the entire property. And of course the balcony is outfitted with 2 chairs and a table. But just the view of the property is so pretty. Like you can see the ocean, you can see the landscaping, you can see people going about, and what I like is that the place is not very full. You know, the other times that I've been here, it has been, I've seen a lot more people, but now it's kind of scanty. I mean, I guess bad for business, but good for me. But hey, just look at that, take it in. Isn't that breathtaking? Alright, so that's pretty much it for the room tour. It's a 1 room with just a 1 queen bed, and you guys see what there is to offer. So I hope this tour will help to guide your decision when you're deciding on if to go on your vacation or not. You know, do some more research, but definitely I hope that this was helpful to you. And if you found it helpful, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know, you know, would you stay here? Would this be somewhere where, do you think it's clean enough for you? I think it's clean. I feel safe actually. Remember to subscribe, send your friends, send it to somebody who you think this may be helpful to, and just keep coming back for more videos. And thank you so much for being here.